Hello and welcome to another demo from your friends here at ASPE and Professional Data Management. In this video, we will run through a quick installation of Apache Maven. Now, in one of our previous videos, we downloaded the Java Development Kit, otherwise known as the JDK. The JDK is a prerequisite for participation in this video, so if you don't have it installed, go ahead and pause this now and come back after you have done so. A link to that demo can be found below in the description. If you already have the JDK installed, then you're good to go, so let's get to it. Open up a browser and navigate to the Apache Maven download page. Links are in the description. When you get there, scroll down until you see the Apache Maven zip file and click to download. Once it has finished, locate the zip file in your downloads. Right-click on the folder and choose Extract All. Next, we will cut the Maven folder open up your C drive and we're going to go ahead and paste it right in here. Now that we have moved it, let's rename the folder. We're going to call it Maven. Now that our Maven folder is in its new location, we need to create a couple of environment variables. So go ahead and open up your control panel. Choose System and Security, System, and click on Advanced Settings. At this time, you may be prompted to identify your credentials, like myself. It's actually happening on a screen that you can't see, so I'll drag it down here real quick. Now we're going to create our variables, so let's open up the environment variables. In the Systems Variables menu, click New. We're going to name our first variable Maven _ home. The variable value will be C:\\Maven. Click New to create another variable, and we're going to name this one M2 _home. The variable value for this will also be C:\\Maven. So now that we've created our variables, you can see them both in the Systems Variable window. Now we need to create a path for each of them. So scroll down to Path and click Edit. Click New. Our first path will be $Maven _home $bin. And then we're going to click Edit one more time. And our second path will be $M2 _home $bin. Click OK to exit and apply. Click OK again. And go ahead and click OK one more time as we close out. Now we're going to check and see if we installed Maven correctly. So let's open up a command prompt. Inside of your command prompt, type MVN, which is command prompt speak for Maven. And then type -version. Upon hitting enter, you should see something like this, which means the installation was successful. Links are in the description for additional videos on DevOps and Agile development, so we will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.